Using factory navigation is a straightforward process. So we've got the ability to either run off of factory navigation, or we can run off of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to use Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, whatever the case may be. Running off of factory navigation, though, very straightforward. We're going to start off with search. So what we're going to do is search for an address there. So we've got the address of the dealership. We're just going to press that, and we can either save it as a favorite, or we can just start to directly begin our navigation.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
Okay.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
So very straightforward there. If we want to cancel the route out, all we have to do is press the X button at the top in order to cancel. So, as you can see there, route has now been canceled. Bringing our control screen back up, we've got a few different options now. We can move between different screen views. Navigation settings is the big one on this page. Looking at our map preferences, so we've got different options there. Breadcrumbs essentially is going to trace whatever routes you've taken, and then our point of interest icons. So if you want to find things like coffee shops, gas stations, etc., we'd turn this one on. Route preferences. Do you like the fastest route, shortest route, most eco-friendly route? You've got the ability to select it there. As we move down, we've got the ability to avoid freeways, toll roads, tunnels, and a number of other things. Whatever preferences you have set up there, it's going to dynamically update the map and the map route that you're taking in order to reflect that. Moving back, last one is going to be our navigation preferences. So different prompts, whether that's voice and tones, voice, or strictly tones. And moving back, next up, we've got the ability to look at our history. So if we've gone to different places, we can see where we've traveled to. We can look at our favorites, point of interest icons, and then the other two to highlight would be our home and our work address. By entering in an address here, we can press the voice button on the steering wheel, and that's going to automatically let us determine whether or not we're going to our home or to our work. And all we'd have to say is we'd press the voice button, say navigate home, and it'll take the address that we've saved in our home in order to be able to navigate us there.